Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my written notes. Hope it will helpful for you. So today we are going to know about the Election Commission of India. Okay, the Election Commission is a permanent body and it is an independent body established by the Constitution of India directly to ensure free and fair election in the country. Right, it is an autonomous body, it is a permanent body, it is not controlled by any three organs, that is legislative, executive and judiciary, and it was established by the Constitution of India. Why it has been established by the Constitution of India means to ensure free and fair election in the country. There should be impartial, there should not be partiality in voting procedure. And next we'll go to the article 324, which deals with the election commission, that is the powers of superintendence, direction, control of election to parliament, state legislature, the office of the president, vice president of India shall be vested in the election commission. That means article 334 clearly says that the commission has the power, right, in supervising, in giving direction, and also conduct the election of parliament, state legislature, and not only parliament and state legislature, also president and vice president. It has all the powers to conduct the elections and control and to give the direction. It is stately cleared in the article 324 of the constitution. Next is, it is common to both the central government and state government, right? It is nothing like that central government has different procedure and state government has different procedures. No, while electing the legislative assemblies, while electing the Lok Sabha's MPs, president, vice president, it is common. And the body administrates election to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, state legislative councils, and office of the president and vice president. As earlier we discussed, this body conduct the elections of MPs, MLAs, Rajya Sabhas, right, and legislative councils, and also president and vice president in a smooth way and in a impartial way. The election commission operates under the authority of constitution of article 324. So article 324 directly deals with the election commission of India. Now let us come back to the composition and constitution. Right, the commission was established in 1950 and originally had only one chief commissioner. Right, it was established in 1950, and while establishing in the 1950 there was only one chief election commissioners, and later two additional commissioners were appointed to the commission for the first time on 16th October 1989, but they had a very short tenure. Right, so firstly, only in 1950 there was only chief election commissioner, only one. Sorry. Later two additional commissioners were appointed to the commission because one chief election commissioner was unable to maintain and conduct, because you know very well India is very vast and having a very vast population. Because of that, one chief election commissioner was not much enough, so two additional commissioners were appointed to the commissions for the first time, that is on 16th October 1989, but they were provided very short term. They were appointed very short term. Later what happened means, let's see. The Election Commission Amendment Act 1989 was adopted on 1st January 1990, which turned the commission into a multi-member body. So what happened means, again amendment procedure has been taken place on 1st January 1990, and that was the Election Commission Amendment Act 1989, and which turned the commission into a multi-member body. So first was only one chief election commissioner, then it was two additional commissioners were added. Now after the amendment which was done on 1st January 1990, now the commission as a multi-member body. Right, and next is The election commission shall consist of chief election commissioner and such number of other election commissioner, if any, as the president may fix from time to time. So already we know there we got the constitutional amendment. According to the constitutional amendment, what it happens means it may have multi-member commission as the president may fix from time to time. Only president is having a right to appoint the chief election commissioner and other election commissioner, and he can fix from time to time whether it may be one, whether it may be a two, whether it may be a four, according to his numbers, and he having the right. Okay, the next is the appointment of the chief election commissioner and other election commissioner shall be made by the president. Right, there to right, the appointment of the chief election commissioner other election commissioner shall be made by the president. So only president is having the right to appoint the chief election commissioner and other election commissioners. Today the election commission has been functioning as a multi-member body consisting of 3 election commissioners. So today what in current situation what we are saying means the election body has a multi-member body where it is functioning as a 3 election commissioners. They are usually from retired IAS officer background, and the commission is located at New Delhi, and at the state level election commission is assisted by the chief electoral officer of the state, who is an IAS officer of the secretary rank. And next is terms of office. They hold office for a term of 6 years or until they attain the age of 65 years. Exactly, there was very short term when if we glance through 1950, only they were having only short term, but now according to the constitution they got for 6-year terms or until they attain the age of 65 years. Removal from office. The chief election commissioner can be removed from their office in a manner similar to the removal of a judge of the Supreme Court. Exactly. How we can remove the Supreme Court? In the same way, we can remove the chief election commissioner. The procedure is equal. There is no difference in removal of a judge of the Supreme Court, which requires a resolution passed by the Parliament of India, a 2/3 majority in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha on the grounds of proved misbehavior or incapacity. Right, so there should be a majority. How we remove the Supreme Court judges? In the same manner, chief election commissioner can be removed only by the resolution passed by the Parliament of India, that is 2/3 of majority in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity, like he is suffering from unsound mind, he is absent, he is not unable to act, his incapacity, then he can be removed. So this is all about the Election Commission of India, right? So what are the terms of the office, how they can be removed from the office, and what are the composition of the election commissioners, and under what article the Election Commission of India will deal it. So clearly under Article 324 the Election Commission operates, right? So today's class this much. In next class we'll discuss the powers and functions of the Election Commission of India. Thank you.